there are the 4 tables will be available in your wireless routers. Is it clear up to here? You see how the in MPLS by using these 4 tables, how the packets will move from one source to the destination we will see. Okay. These colors, you just please see the colors here. So this is the RIB, YB is in red color, LIB is in green color, and LFIB is in blue color. Right? So this is my MPLS router. So this is my MPLS router. So in between these are all the MPLS routers. So what this will be called as?
Yes, sir.
This is the LER. So this is the LSR. So this is the LSR. This is the LSR and this is the LER. This is the means this is the source to destination. So this is the you can call it a PHP, penultimate hop popping. Then we can a normal customer router. This customer router. So this is also customer router. Okay. PHP and this is the LER. Normal from customer to we are getting the LER, LSR. This will be called as a PHP router because here we are in the. So this is whatever we have studied up to here. Is it clear? So this is the customer A to customer B we are sending. So this is one router, customer A router, customer B router. From A to B we are connected. From A we are connected to the router number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 is connected to the destination router. This is the customer router. So this is the CE router. And this is the CE router. And this will be called as a PE router. PE means provider edge router. This will be called as a because inside. So this will be called as a P routers, provider routers. This again provider edge router. So here only the technology is only will little change. Nothing is there. So provider edge router is nothing but a LER. Provider edge router is nothing but a LER. And normal routers, normal LSR should be called inside the cloud. So they will be called as the provider routers and which are connected to the customer. So for example, your PRS and QoS, they are the customer routers. This is the CE router, this is the customer edge router. So this will be thing. Okay. Then up to here it is clear. Then I will come to clear this one. Okay, fine. So these are all about the what are the routers are connected, how they are connected. Is it clear up to here? So then we will see the what are the tables. So these are the colors and these are the different routers and what is the router is consisting of the PE or LER and P router or LSR. So same thing will be called as a P router or LSR router and this is the PE router or customer router. So coming to the when we are sending the packets from router A. So what is my destination? B. So the router A cannot send directly to the B, right? So because the router A is not directly connected to the router B. So router A is connected to the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 is connected to the B. So first time you see then A will be there. So let me clear about this one. So these are the tables of the router number 1. So these tables of the router number 2. So these are the tables pertaining to the router number 3. So these tables pertaining to the router number 4. Right. So what the router number 1 will take. So whatever the IP packets has come. So it will. What is the normal router will do? It cannot send directly, it has to go to the destination B. So this is the destination B. This is the destination B. So it has to go to the destination B, but it cannot go directly to destination B, router number 1. So it has to send to the router number 2 only, right? Router number 2. Right? Is it clear? So router number 1, whatever the IP packets it will take to send to the destination B, So it cannot send directly, it will send to the router number 2 only. So similarly, router number 2, whatever the destination B, it has to send the data packets, it will hand over to the router number 3 only. Similarly, router number 3, destination B, it will hand over to the router number 4. And whatever the router number 4 for the destination B, it is directly connected, it will directly send to the India. Means this first line indicates information base. Information base. Is it clear? Routing information base. Is it clear?
Sir.
So all are understood, only one or two. So here I have the 4 colors. So first color is the B column R2, means the router number 1, whatever the destination has to go, so it cannot go directly to the B, it will hand over to the router number 2. Router number 2 it will take and it will hand over to the router number 3. Router number 3 will hand over to the router number 4. Router number 4 is directly, it is connected to the B, it will hand over. So this is the first line indicates the B column R2 and B column R3, B column R4, B column directly connected. So this is the first line which indicates the RIP, routing information base. The second line, so B colon R2 colon 2 means what it indicates. So this router knows, so whatever it has to send to the router number 2, but how it has to go? It has to go to the interface number 2. So because it may have so many interfaces, but once the interface say it has to deliver. So B colon R2 colon 2. So whatever the data you have to give to the interface number 2. So similarly B colon R3 colon 2. So means it has to do the interface 2 only. So P colon R4 colon 2. So means it has to go to the R4, it has to go to the via interface 2 only. And P connected directly, it has to go to the interface 2 only. So means this is a forwarding information base. So this indicates the on which interface I have to forward my packets. So that indicates the FIB. So this is the second line. B colon R2 colon 2. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Coming to the 3. So means B. So this is the LIB. So means we are coming up to first 2 lines is the normal traditional routers, right? So now we are. So these are the I already told 1, 2, 3. These are the 4. So these are the MPLS routers. What the MPLS routers will do? So once they enable the LDP protocol. So we are not enabling the TDP. So LDP protocol, the labels will be locally created, right? Labels will be locally created, I already told. See, it is locally created. So LOC means locally created. So router number 1 is locally created 101 label. 101 label it has created. And router number 2 it created the label number 201. And 3 has created locally 401. And 4 it is not created, it is created the implicit null 3. What is this implicit null 3? Implicit null 3, it is created the label number 3. It is created the label number 3. Previously I am going to explain something. I put the label number 3 and no, I should not put 3, I put the 13. You might have observed or not. Observed or not? 1 minute. Sir, good morning, sir. Sir. Okay. Discussing for the MPLS routing tables, I will keep this one as is. So have a 10 minutes, 15 minutes break. Then we will continue.